Late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's father KK Singh had tried to contact his son's live-in partner Rhea Chakraborty to know the details of his son's ongoing medical treatment. At that time, WhatsApp messages shared with the media showed. The actress, who is now the prime accused in the death case of Sushant, did not respond to any of the messages. Besides Rhea, Sushant's father also tried to connect with his son's former manager Shruti Modi, and even she did not revert back to him. Modi is co-accused in the case filed by Singh at a Patna police station on July 25th. She was also both Sushant and Rhea's manager. Singh, in his message to Rhea at 12:34 p.m. on November 29 last year, asked her to share the details of his son's treatment. In the message to Rhea, Singh said, "जब तुम जान गई कि हम सुशांत के पापा हूँ, तो बात क्यों नहीं की? आखिर बात क्या है? फ्रेंड बनकर उसका देखभाल और उसका इलाज करवा रही हो, तो मेरा भी फर्ज बनता है कि सुशांत के बारे में जानकारी मुझे भी रहे। इसीलिए कॉल कर मुझे भी सारी जानकारी दो." The revelation came in the backdrop of regular questioning of Rhea and her family members besides Modi and other associated with Sushant by the ED. The father had also tried to contact Modi on the same day he WhatsApped Rhea, November 29, asking her to book a flight ticket for Singh so that he could come to Mumbai. Singh wrote to Shruti Modi 18 minutes before messaging Rhea. In the message, he said, "मैं जानता हूँ कि सुशांत के सारे कर्ज और उसे भी तुम ही देखती हो। वह अभी किस स्थिति में है, इसके लिए बात करना चाह रहे थे। कल सुशांत से बात हुई थी तो उसने कहा था कि मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ। अब तुम सोचो कि एक पिता को कितनी चिंता होती होगी उसके लिए। इसलिए तुमसे बात करना चाह रहा था। अब तुम बात नहीं कर रही हो तो मैं मुंबई जाना चाहता हूँ, फ्लाइट का टिकट भेज दो." The ED had recorded the statement of Rhea, her brother Shovik and father Indrajit on Monday. Till date, the ED has questioned Rhea twice, her brother Shovik's statement thrice and her father Indrajit once.